Hi, my name is Shad Bruce, and I did my report on Hoover Dam. Here is my sister Stella, also doing the report. And my mom Sandy, and my dad Shad. And we are the Bruces. The bridge of Hoover Dam is 890 feet above the Colorado River. The bridge was constructed because driving through here was too hazardous. This bypass bridge was recommended in 1978.
42 years after it was recommended, the bypass bridge was finally built.
The bridge is the second highest in the United States.
Oh my God.
The bridge was dedicated in October 2010.
Yep. The dam is 726 feet tall, and that is a Harley Davidson. If you were to add up the total weight of Hoover Dam, it weighs 6,600,000 tons.
I don't even know what tons means.
It was constructed like a big Lego set.
Giant. The water management and the hydropower benefit 7 states.
That'd be New Mexico, Utah, Colorado, Arizona, Nevada, California, and Wyoming.
The Hoover Dam looks like a skateboard park.
The Hoover Dam is an architectural marvel.
I think it's really pretty, but if you look over the edge, it's kind of scary.
I think the Hoover Dam is a good learning experience.
It's a beautiful place, from the lakes to the river to the mountains. It's a beautiful place. You have to come visit.
And that's it from the Bruce family.
Bye.
Bye.